viewers, welcome to N.Dianat's creativity. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to match 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and I think after watching this video you can also match this 3x3 Rubik's Cube within 3 minutes. But firstly, I think you need time, so let's get started. Firstly, we have to make a plus of any color according to our wish in such a way the upper middle color of other 4 sides match with the middle block, as you can see in the above figure given in the screen. Let's start with white. We have to match the block of white in a plus way and match the other sides. Now we have to bring this box here in this side. I think this is of this side and this is. Yes, here is the plus, and it's green, it's red, green, orange and blue. Now we have to match the corners. To match the corner, we have to see the 3 sides. Here is white, it's green and it's red. So we have to put the box which have red, green and white. Here is the block. Let's bring it in this side. Here it is. Again, in this side we have blue, red and white. So we have to bring this block here. And in this side we have orange and blue. So here is the block of orange and blue. Yes, here it is. Now we have matched a side and one line of other 4 sides. Now we have to match these 2 colors, these 2 colors and these 2 colors, these sides. To match this, we have to follow some rules. We have 2 rules to match them. A rule for left side and a rule for right side. In this, it is a T of green color, and in the middle top of the green we have orange color. The middle of orange color is in our right side, so we have to apply the formula of right. Now the formula of right is given in the screen, which is yes, here it is. Again we have to apply the formula. Here it's the T of red and here is the blue color. So we have to apply the formula of left because blue is in our left side. Yes, it also get matched. Then which color remains? Okay, in this condition we have to bring this color here without any reason, but the reason is to match the colors properly. We have to apply the formula of left. Now there is an opportunity of red. We have to apply the formula of right. Yes, we match this color. Now this remains orange. We have to bring this color here. For that, we have to apply the formula of right. Yes, it's done. Here's white, 2 rows of red, blue, orange and green. Now we have to make a plus here. The middle color of this upper portion is yellow, so we have to make a plus of yellow color. For that we have to see in which middle we have yellow. In this middle we have yellow, so we have to apply the formula of plus from this side. The formula of plus is given in the screen. According to that we have to match the plus. No, it's didn't yet yet, so we have to apply the formula again. No, not yet, so we have to apply the formula again. Not yet. Again. Yes, finally it will get matched. Here is the plus and this is our other sides. Now we can see this color's middle and this color's middle have been matched. So we have to match the other two colors middle. For that we have to apply the formula of middle. In this case we have to keep this side in our this part and this side in our this part. In this way we have to move the blocks, and the formula is given in the screen. Let's apply it. Yes, all the middles are in their own places now. Now we have to match the corner. We can see no corners are in their right positions. No corners are in their right position. So to match these corners, we have to apply the formula of corner. And the formula is given in the screen. Let's match the corner according to the formula. Is it in their right positions? No, not yet. But this corner is in its right position. Let's apply the formula of corner from this side. Yes, now all the corners are in their right position. Now we have to apply the formula of finishing, and which is also given in the screen. Let's apply it. One corner has been matched. Now we have to turn it in the right side and apply the formula again. Again, this corner is automatically matched, so this corner. And finally, this is completed. Thanks for watching.